channel. If you're new, hi, I'm so glad you clicked on this video. Hopefully by the end, you'll want to hit that subscribe button. So I have Ipsy for February 2024, the creator bundle. We're going to be going through the Glam bag and the Boxycharm, which I don't have the box for anymore. My dog wanted it, so I mean, I just gave it to her. Okay, so this month has me a little bit stumped. Now I did peek because I wasn't sure when I was going to get these videos up and just really wanted to see what was in it. All right, so we have We Heart Black Beauty. It's a self-love affair. So this here is a card that they give you that doesn't have any prices on it, but that's okay because we're gonna see what's in here. Now I'm gonna start with the thing that I was most confused about, which is this eyeshadow palette here. So it says Pear Nova eyeshadow palette. It's a pressed powder palette, and here it is. Now we usually get 5 deluxe size samples, and this is not a deluxe size sample. So once in a while we do get full size items, but usually they're like brushes, makeup brushes. How come I can't get this open? Because I have nails and I'm not used to it. Oh, there we go. All right, so this is what it looks like. This looks like something I would give my teenager, you know, like, hey, here you are. You know, it's kind of cute. Obviously not real expensive, but we're not gonna hate on her. So that I was a little confused with. All right, now let's get into the bag. Cute bag, like the way it feels. Cute little heart charm right there. I think this bag is still $13 a month. I think. I don't know, but if you look down in the comments, I'm sure someone down there who pays for it will tell you exactly what they paid for it for. All right, does that make sense? I don't even know. But the bag is super cute. Okay, so we do have 4 more items. So that eyeshadow palette was one of the items. And it looks like we have by Wander Beauty the eye patches. Baggage Claim Gold eye masks. I'm assuming this is a set of 1. Okay, no, it's a set of 2. So that's kind of cool. I don't think I've ever, yeah, I think I've tried these. But I don't know. I guess I'll have to try them again. Then we have by Sinage the Saffron Energizing Vitamin Mask. Hydrates and firms. Here it is here. So that is definitely a deluxe size sample. Then we have, what the, no. Rare Beauty. Okay, I like it when we get stuff like that. Is this a mascara? Looks like it might be a deluxe size mascara. Black. Perfect Strokes mascara. Yes, okay. That's awesome. Liking that a lot. And we have what, one more item on? Yes, we do. What is it? Oh, it's a setting spray by Mo Beauty, which I have no idea who they are. None. And I did not use setting spray today, so maybe we should try this puppy out. Oh, that smells like perfume. Oh, I can't place what it smells like. Ooh, but it's not bad. Okay, cool. So a little like trial size one. That's neat. All right, let's recap and then we'll move on to Boxycharm. Can't talk. Okay. So we got the setting spray. We got the mask. We got the eye patches. We got the mascara. And then we got the eyeshadow palette. That is pretty darn good. I have to say, I'm pretty impressed with this bag. Surprisingly, well, no, because they were pretty good. The past couple months, I'm getting things in here that I'm pretty shocked about. So now we have Boxycharm is up next. So Boxycharm is now over $30 a month. I think I pay like almost $35 when I do pay for it. And my paid box is on its way, or should be. But this is my PR box, so I didn't pay for this. But I will try to find the prices as well. All right, so let's go through it. We have by Grown Alchemist Skin Renewal Day Cream. So we've got a moisturizer in here. And I think, well, I've gotten this brand before. Oh, I've always gotten a black one. So this is kind of cool. Got your moisturizer. Put that aside. Next, by So Clean, Keep It Clean Hydrating Gel Cleanser. I love getting cleansers. Then I don't have to buy them. I know you guys have heard me say that before, but it's so true. Oh, and this is a big one. 6.7 fluid ounces. I'm excited. And it's like that. Not like an oil, but you know what I mean. Like it's definitely gonna foam up as a cleanser, but it's one of those that really gets in the skin. Gonna love that. Okay, next we have, what is this? Eloise Beauty. Oh, this is the lip oil. We're gonna try her out. We are. Boink. Cute little doe foot. Let's see. Oh, see, she smells like just like cherries. That is pretty good. Oh, I messed up the doe foot with my lipstick, but that's okay. Oh, I love that. Love the way it smells. Okay, next we've got some brushes. Luna Magic luxury brushes. Definitely dig in the pink color. All right, let's see. Does it tell us what they are for? It might say it on them. Let's see. We got this guy. Oh, look how cute. There's gems on it. Y'all know how I feel about gems. Luna Magic 777, and it's an angled brush, so I'm guessing blush brush. Okay. Next we have 1111 powder brush. That's what I'm assuming this is, because that's what it looks like. All right, so a set of 2 brushes, and then this should be the star of the show. We have an Ace Beauty palette. Ooh, that is pretty. That is definitely pretty. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay, those look super pretty. I don't know if I want to use it though. We're gonna have to figure that out. Maybe I'll do a separate tutorial. I don't know yet. Okay, so let's recap, and then you guys are gonna tell me what you think down in the comments, okay? So we got the eyeshadow palette, definite bonus, love getting eyeshadow palettes. And we got the set of brushes, the Grown Up Chemist moisturizer, the lip oil, and then the cleanser. That's actually a pretty decent bag. Pretty decent variety. You've got your skincare, your makeup, and then your beauty tools all in one. So, did I say twos or tools? I don't know. I think I need more coffee. Anyhow, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. I did email Ipsy in regards to them charging us like 2 days before and not being able to pause it if we want to, because we're supposed to have up to midnight the night before they charge us to go ahead and pause it, and that's not been happening. So let me know if anything has changed for you guys. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you like unboxings, would you hit that subscribe button? All right, guys, I will see you guys real soon in my next video. Bye.